Social Science, Grade 8, Block 14, Understanding Secularism, LP2, Preventing Religious Domination by Teacher Shikha. Student will be able to explain that secularism prevents one religious community from dominating another. Children, this is very sensitive topic, yet interesting. I want you all to imagine one situation. Just imagine you are looking for an apartment but are unable to get one because the people of that area only rent to those who belong to their own religious community. So children, how would you react to such situation? Children, also please read the case study from your content book. Read content book LP2 properly so that the few questions which I am going to discuss here now in this video, you will be able to understand them precisely. Children, the lesson according to the lesson given in your content book, do you think the British government was sensitive towards religious beliefs of Hindus and Muslims? How do you know which of the two government is more secular, the government in British India or the government of present time? Why? So children, explanation to this question is the British government might not have been sensitive about the religious beliefs of the Hindus or Muslims. Otherwise, the Hindus and Muslims would not have been angry about using Enfield rifles. The government in 2012 appears to be more secular than the government in British India of 1857 because, as per the law, a teacher at a government school lost his job for imparting religious teachings in class. A secular government does not allow one religion to dominate another over another or allow people to impart religious instructions or criticize other religions openly in government institutions. Let's read this chart. Cause: religious domination by one community. Effects: can dominate minority groups, impose its views on others, discriminate against other groups. Okay, children, so now let's generalize our statement. Why does a secular state not allow one religious community to dominate over others? How does the state promote its secular ideals and make sure this does not happen? General explanation is a religious community which is in the majority may dominate the minority religious communities. If it is allowed to do so, as a result, it can force its views on the minority group. Disregard their interest and hurt their sentiments. In order to prevent this, a secular state such as India does not promote or support any religion or allow the state to be ruled by a religious group. It treats all religions equally and keeps a distance from religion. The Constitution also states that no religious community can dominate others. So children, another question to discuss is when do you think people might dominate other members of the same religious community? I want you to think and imagine this according to the content book and the case study we have read. So children, domination of others within the same group may happen when religious leaders, priests with power impose religious beliefs on others and take steps against them when these imposed beliefs as disregarded. Okay children, now it's time for some application. Please try to solve this worksheet on your own, and in case if you find any problem, we can discuss it during our online session. Please read the content book as I want you to find out and identify the minority religious communities. Also need to explain secularism prevents one religion, one religious community from dominating another. Additionally, you should be able to explain how members might dominate others from the same religious community. Hope the lesson is clear to you. Please read the content book again. Have a great day ahead. Take care of your near and dear ones. Thank you. Bye bye.